Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essential items, device type, OS version, and the account tied to the privacy protection password. Once you have recovery email, phone, or backup codes, open the device settings and navigate to the privacy or security section. If two-factor authentication is enabled, prepare the second device. If not, plan to use an account recovery option. Make sure you are on a secure Wi-Fi network, and the battery is above 30% to avoid interruptions mid-process. Once you start the recovery flow, follow each verification step carefully. Enter the email or phone tied to the account, then retrieve and enter the one-time code. If additional proof is required, answer security questions or upload the requested ID photo, making sure images are clear and metadata intact. After verification completes, create a new privacy protection password that is unique and long. Use a passphrase with numbers and symbols. Finally, sign back into the device and confirm privacy settings are re-enabled. To finish, verify the new password unlocks the device and any synced accounts. Sign out and back in to confirm session tokens refresh. Once confirmed, generate backup codes, update recovery contacts, and re-enable two-factor authentication to avoid future lockouts. If the process fails, don't panic. Gather device serial, purchase proof, and account details, then contact official support. If support requests forms or photos, follow instructions precisely. This speeds verification and gets you back into the device sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.